Hey everyone, welcome back to CAR OMG Dubai. So we have received this Dodge Ram for interior upgrades. So I am going to show you whatever we have done on this car. Just please watch till end.
Here's a full interior transformation we just completed for this Ram, and the results speak for themselves. We started with brand new Waqala seat covers, perfectly stitched and tailored to the shape of the seats. The finish is clean, the fit is tight, and the design brings a whole new character to the interior. Whether you're driving daily or long distance, this level of comfort makes a real difference. We added a custom steering cover matching the interior theme, with a soft grip, neat stitching, and a premium feel every time your hands are on the wheel. Look at the roof upholstery, fresh, clean, and smooth from end to end. No more sagging, no stains, just a fresh top layer that completes the look. Down below, we've installed 7D floor mats, waterproof, dust-proof, and laser cut to fit the exact shape of this Ram's floor. Durable, easy to clean, and they bring a sharp finish to the base of the cabin. We also worked on the door pads, wrapping them to match the seats and steering, giving the interior a full and unified style. Every inch of this truck's interior has been touched, cleaned, covered, and brought back to life. No corner left undone. If you're ready to give your car the same makeover, whether it's a truck, SUV, or sedan, come to CAR OMG Dubai. We'll take care of everything from seats to ceilings. DM now or visit the shop, and let's upgrade your interior the right way.